This is Alfred Krupa. He was born in 1915 in Mikoło, Poland. A painter, a boxer, an inventor. A man who refused to travel light, or simply. After the war, he moved to Karlovac, Croatia, a small town on 4 rivers. He painted portraits, he built boats, he drew endlessly. Lines, machines, possibilities. One day, he watched people struggle at the train station, bags dragging, backs bending, tempers rising, and he thought, what if luggage could follow you? So he built it in 1954, a suitcase with wheels. Long before airports became cities, long before anyone called travel convenient. Years later, someone else patented the same idea, made millions and got credit. Alfred didn't mind. He kept painting, kept inventing. Glass-bottom boats, folding catamarans, things that no one asked for, but everyone needed. He died in 1989. His paintings remain. His suitcase, lost somewhere between Karlovac and the rest of the world. Today, every traveler who glides across an airport floor is unknowingly retracing his idea.